It's an absolutely splendid day to be on the road to Lonavala. Look at those gorgeous skies. This is Jannat! So I'm literally driving amidst clouds right now. And I couldn't be happier to be driving the Mahindra TUV 300 here. The M-Hawk 100 engine is torquey enough to take on all possible ghats, and the ride is smooth enough to just immerse myself in this dreamy weather. Oh my god. Road tripping time. The Mahindra TUV 300 is a very very curious vehicle. और ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ मैं क्योंकि आमतौर पे जब हम गाड़ी खरीदते हैं इट्स अ वेरी लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन का डिसीजन, राइट, विच इज़ माइलेज कितना है, पावर कितनी है, राइड क्वालिटी कैसी है, कितने लोग को बिठाती है, कितने लीटर का बूट स्पेस है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. And of course, उन सारे पैमानों में, in all those parameters, this comes out with flying colors, absolutely. When you compare it to anything in the competition, right from the Ford EcoSport, which is the leader in this segment, the increasing popularity wala, 9 mahine waiting wala Maruti Brezza, and of course, Mahindra's very own Quanto upgrade, which is the Nuvo Sport. The TUV 300 is unlike any of them. You either hate the way it looks or you absolutely love it. मैं दूसरे खेमे में हूँ. I'm in the camp who fell in love with the design of the TUV 300 from the first day the sketches were leaked of the silhouette of this particular SUV. So clearly I'm a bit biased, but like I said, the decision to buy the TUV 300 to spend over 10 लाख रुपए इसके टॉप वेरिएंट या ऑटोमेटिक मॉडल के ऊपर, especially with the brand new M-Hawk 100 engine, extra power, better refinement, and just a much better vehicle, is an emotional one. And it's an emotional one because you have to decide कि आप किस किस्म के शख्स हैं. क्या आप खुली वादियों में, पहाड़ों के बीच में ज़्यादा वक्त बिताना पसंद करते हैं? क्या आप शहर के मॉल रैट कैटेगरी में ज़्यादा आते हैं? For a person like me who loves the outdoors and who looks for each and every excuse to get out of our cities and urbanscape, this looks like a vehicle tailor-made for me. It feels solid, it makes you feel secure, it drives so well you feel that you're a really confident and a very skilled driver. It's incredible on the highways, it's extremely maneuverable in the cities. Even the manual transmission drives like मस्का शहर के ट्रैफिक में. क्लच हार्ड नहीं है, गजब का throttle response है along the entire rev range. Even though it's a 3-cylinder diesel engine, the 100 horsepower M-Hawk 100 motor really sweats it out for you. Of course थोड़ी आवाज़ ज़रूर आती है cabin में because end of the day it is a diesel motor. But you know what? I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. I don't feel like giving this car back after review because I want to keep it, and I want to drive, and I want to explore the length and breadth of this beautiful country and more, and drive to Bhutan and drive all the way to Thailand. I want to camp, I want to live inside the TUV 300. It's like that denim that you do not ever want to get out of because it just becomes like your second skin. That's what the Mahindra TUV 300 has become to me in a matter of a couple of days. 2 thumbs up. Gadiwala gives it a Chummeshwari definite buy.